We'll be covering the installation of Rustbuster's front control arm section for the TJ Wrangler. Before you begin, if at any point you are uncomfortable with any of the processes, we strongly suggest you seek out the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the required tools listed, and ensure you follow all the manufacturer's safety precautions and operations while using them. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards, such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting, and remove any fire hazards from the work area. Step 2. Lift your vehicle and support its rear axle with jack stands for driver and passenger sides. Remove the wheel. Remove your gas tank and its components and plug all remaining tubes to reduce fume leakage. Place the tank safely outside your work area. Step 3. Using a 21mm socket and wrench, remove the lower control arm bolt from the frame side bracket. Using a 15mm socket, remove the upper control arm bolt. Push both arms out and away. With a body clip remover, fold the inner fender liner out of the way. Using a T40 Torx socket, remove the brake line bracket and gently push the line out and away. Measure 1.5 to 2 inches from the top of the frame rail and draw a parallel line, running from the body mount bracket to the frame hole. Measure 1.5 to 2 inches from the body mount bracket and draw a line that traces the lower control arm bracket all around to the other side. On the inside, mark the welds of the upper control arm brackets. These will need to be cut and removed first in order to continue marking the section off. Step 4. Begin cutting away the section while following the drawn lines. Remove any material until the frame rail is flush. Step 5. Attempt to push the part into place. It may fit snugly and require force. If you have trouble getting the upper control arm bracket around the front exhaust section, separate the front and rear exhaust sections to allow the front to flex. Once in place, adjust the part's position and mark it by measuring 57 inches plus or minus a half from the front bolt hole center to the rear bolt hole center. Step 6. If you wish to cover the entire part, coat it in a weldable primer or other inflammable rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Tack weld or clamp the part into place. Step 7. Remove any potential fire hazards. 100% weld around all edges. Step 8. If you chose not to in Step 6, coat the work area and part with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Step 9. Begin reassembling your vehicle by starting with the lower control arm followed by the upper arm. Reinstall your exhaust and wheels. Reconnect your battery and you're done.